Hello viewers, we are going to create a beautiful website based on WordPress. To do this, if you have a domain and hosting already, then you just start building your website. Basically, I have my domain and I have designed my website already. I have it here. My domain was and hosting was registered from. If you would like to register your domain and hosting, you can go browse for cheap, free or best hosting, or you can go to this website that I have purchased my domain from. They have very good offers. However, I'm not going to talk about these domains and hosting. So if you like to purchase domain and hosting, you can go to classhost.com. They have very good offers, or you can buy your domain and hosting from anywhere else. Okay, now I'm gonna install WordPress on a subdomain on this domain, which is going to be tutorial.autoblogcell.com. I have created my subdomain already, so basically this is how it's going to be your cPanel, and there is a lot of options here: file manager, images, directory, privacy, FTP accounts, web disk, disks, phpMyAdmin, MySQL database, and a lot of options. But before going through all these things, I'm gonna just go down and find here Softaculous apps installer. Let's go to this one, and they have built in all these apps, which is little less secure, but you can install the script very quick. However, I'm going to teach you in a different lesson how to secure your WordPress website. So first of all, here we are going to install WordPress. Just click install, just hover over the logo WordPress and click on install. Here you can choose protocol: HTTP, HTTPS, or HTTP www. or HTTPS www. To do this HTTPS, you need to install SSL certificates on your website, on your server. As I have HTTPS, is meaning is my website is secure. So I'm going to install WordPress on tutorial.autoblogcell.com, and my protocol will be https.www. This is what I like. And in directory, if you want to install WordPress in a specific directory, you can specify it here, or I'm gonna just delete it because I'm gonna install the WordPress on my root domain. And what is you can put your site name here. I'm gonna use here WordPress tutorial, and site description will be great, beautiful commercial websites using WordPress. This is another option, is enable multi-sites. This is something different. I'm gonna create another lessons on WPME, which is multi-sites. You can install multiple sites under one WordPress dashboard. Okay, now for the admin username, I'm gonna use admin, and for pass, I'm gonna use password. You can use something different, but I'm gonna use this for a specific reason, and I'll show it in a different lesson. and this is where you're going to put your admin URL. I'm going to put here, keep it here. You can put your admin email. And WordPress has already built-in multiple languages. There is a list of languages here. If you find your language, you can select your language, but I'm going to select English anyway. And you can also install the limit login attempts plugin. This is another security plugins, but I'm not going to install this one. Let's see what's going on at once. This is what is going to be database name. So WP table prefix and database update notifications, auto upgrade. I select because I like it. One more thing, this database name is supposed to be less than 7 characters. So there was an error here. Even if I put more than 7 character, it's going to be warn you that the database name cannot be greater than 7 characters, 7 letters. Please choose a shorter database name, which is here. The next thing is backup location is default. If you have some different backup folder, this is kind of different things. Let us leave it like this. And you can also select theme here from here. So I think let me search a theme. Actually, let me just install the WordPress first, so we're gonna learn the next step by step. See, it's saying congratulations, the software was installed successfully, meaning our software, our website, https www.tutorial.autoblogcell.com has been created. So this is the default website they have created automatically, and now we are going to log into our admin dashboard, which is going to be default. It's going to be /wp admin, and remember our admin username was, I think, admin, and password was password. So let's log in. Here is the admin panel of our website. Let me close some of these tabs here, and let's go to the admin panel. Let's take a look at the admin panel. Here is the welcome message and a link to customize your site. I'm going to dismiss this one now. This is the basic desktop of our website, and this is the primary front page of our website. So first thing first, I'm going to change the permalink. Here at the very below is settings menu. I'm going to go to the permalink section. There is a different kind of permalink. I'm going to select post name. Permalink means, suppose this is our first post. So once we click on the post, it basically gives us the links like this. Because we have selected our permalink as post name, so it's showing us the post name. So if you select different option like date and time, it's going to be like this. Take a look, it's date and time. So I think just post name is fine for me. It's a custom structure, is post name. See, just post name here. Anyway, second thing, we have to change a little bit from our general tab here. Oh, okay. Sometimes they put here something like just another WordPress site. So we have actually changed our tagline before, that's why it's there. So here you can change your admin email and everything, whether is anyone can register in your site, and what would be the rule of the subscriber or the user, and time zone and everything else. Save changes. And next things, we are going to go to the appearance and themes. On the themes menu, we're going to click on add new. Here is the themes. WordPress has there is plenty of beautiful themes you can choose from, but I'm gonna choose something like something called Optimizer. That's a beautiful theme, commercial theme you can use, and just click on install. So theme is installed. You can activate from here, or even you can go to the themes menu and hover over the newly added theme and click on activate. Let's see how is our new site looks. See, that's the just change the design, still it looks beautiful. So let us do some customization on the theme. To do the customization, you go to the appearance menu and customize. Here on the customize sections, there is a welcome message from the optimizer team. They're offering actually to upgrade their theme, but we are fine with the free version. And here you can see our visual changes. Here is the visual editor, and once we made it change, we can just hover over here, click here, we can see the full page scenario of the website. Click back here, let's see the basic things. Under basic things there is a site layout. You can choose whether you want to see your website box or full width. Box would be like this, but I think I'm gonna go with the full width, because these days everybody likes the full width website design. On the second part is the basic layout, basic style. Under the basic style, we can change the background image of the site, whole site. We're not going to do this. And the site color here, you can choose fixed background image, or whether if we upload a background image, then whether it's going to be fixed or it's going to scroll. Text color, other elements, you can change it here. And even basic fonts is going to be default fonts. And the site identity. On the site identity section, you can change the site icon. Like here you see on the Google there is a favicon, they call it site favicon, but here it's calling site icon. So you can change it here easily. Select an image, and I have already created one. Select, and it's going to ask me to crop the image. I'm going to crop the image, so it's going to be our favicon. Save and publish. Let's see how it looks. See, our favicon is there. Simple. Now let's go to the second section. Let's see the header section. On the header section, you can choose whether your header is going to be transparent header or not. Let's see how it looks. This is the non-transparent header, but if it is transparent, it's going to be like this. Next things, we're going to change our site logo. We're going to choose image instead of text, and we're going to select an image, and we are going to upload our logo. Choose the image, save and publish. So this is our front page. We can change this logo here. We can change this text here. The other things here is going to be our menu. Let's create some pages. All pages. The sample page, we are going to trash it now. Add new. About us. Contact us. And we are going to choose our blog page. And for now, keep it like this. Let's create a menu here. Menus, main menu. Okay. Under the main menu, we have created some pages. Let's click on View All and select all. Save menu. Header navigation and footer navigation. We're going to choose the same menu. If you want to create different menu for the footer, you can create a different menu, same like this for the footer. Let's go back to the customizer. Let's take a quick look for some other things. This is the slider area. So we have basically completed our header section. Now let's go to the front page section. On the slider tab, we're gonna of course choose a static slider, or you can disable the slider too. Here is the image, background image. Even you can choose a slideshow, or for the video I think you need to upgrade to the pro version. So we're gonna stick with the image slider and edit content. We can change something like Okay, and this the logo, the white logo here actually is because it's transparent, we can see here, but it's here. You can change it just like this. Like this. Next thing, we have two buttons here. Here is saying demo. We can say something like see demos, and link we can, let's see, demo. You can put your links here, and you can choose the color, hover color, button style, and everything. And button 2, let's see what it says. Something like buy now. And you can we also can make these things, move these things, and add some nice materials here. To do this, we have two different options. We have here, we can add front page widgets, add widgets, or the easiest ways and common ways, we can go to the WP admin, go to the appearance, widgets. On this widgets area, this is our front page widgets area. We can draw like block widgets here, and we can choose each blocks. Like here is a load and respawn, something we can choose. Select any image. Since I don't have a lot of images here, I'm just showing you selecting one image here. Edit content and save. So this is our section. We just do the rest like this. Here you go. So this is how you can install beautiful, create beautiful websites using WordPress.